Good afternoon, Miss Noki.
Good afternoon.
Please tell us about yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Annalisa Noki, 38 years old. I am a single parent. I have 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. 17 years old my son and 14 and 12 my daughter. I'm only undergraduate X-ray radiology.
Have you ever worked overseas?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell us how many years and what country?
2 years in Kuwait and 7 years in Taiwan. 5 years in Taiwan.
Okay. What did you do as a domestic helper? What is your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
I cared 7 children, but I have in Kuwait have 7 children, but have 3 helper from to Mr. and Mrs. Albasam. I bring their in school in the morning when I wake up. I prepare their breakfast and assist it for taking a bath.
Okay. Aside from that, did you do also household work like cleaning?
Yes, ma'am. I clean and I iron the uniform and cooking.
Okay. What are the important things that you need to consider while taking care of the children?
Uh, I assure their safe and comfort and give a vitamin every day and good food.
Okay. What is the reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
Ma'am, I want to take another experience in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a good salary.
Okay. Any message that you want to say to your employer?
Ma'am, sir, hope to see you soon. I give the best. I give the best to you. And
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Noki, and good luck.
thank you, ma'am, sir. Have a blessed day.